Having a quality outdoor living space always ranks high on homeowners' wish list. Connecting with family and friends while enjoying nature outside just makes you feel good. What doesn't feel good is trying to enjoy life in your personal oasis with a dilapidated old shed in the background. Today we are using Armorite Exterior Trim to transform an eyesore into eye candy. Whether you're a seasoned contractor, builder, or do-it-yourselfer, we are going to show you everything you need to know about Armorite Exterior Trim to ensure smooth and professional installation. We'll cover everything from storage and handling to precise measuring, cutting, fastening, and finishing. Let's dive in and see how you can elevate your next build and ensure long-lasting results when you finish with trim that's better from the start. Armorite trim should be stored on a level surface, off the ground, and kept dry and free of dirt and debris while at the job site. Armorite Exterior Trim machines and cuts with clean, uniform edges. Carbide-tipped saw blades are recommended. Always use proper eye and hearing protection when using loud power tools. Use hot-dipped, galvanized, zinc-coated, or stainless steel fasteners. Nails that have a deformed shank provide greater resistance to nail withdrawal. When using pneumatic nail guns, practice on test material and adjust the regulator on your air compressor to achieve a nail head that is flush with the trim surface. Armorite Exterior Trim is manufactured to be flat and straight. This makes doing vertical corners easy when compared to natural wood. Measure the distance from the soffit to where you want the bottom of the trim to stop. Make sure to maintain a minimum of 6 inches above finished grade. Working your way down from the top and continuing to use the scrap piece as a guide, install a nail every 12 inches. Install the second piece of trim by starting at the top and working your way down just like the first.
Be sure to maintain adequate gapping between the two pieces.
This shed has a vented soffit, so we have to provide a way for air to pass through. This is a 12-inch soffit, so we installed a piece of 5.5-inch Armorite trim against the back of the subfascia first. Install the continuous soffit vent using a pneumatic staple gun, brad nailer, or finish nailer. Put the factory edge against the vent because that is the edge that is most visible. Gable soffits are not vented, so we can attach one piece of Armorite Exterior Trim instead of the two like we did on the vented soffits. Measure for your specific window,
and don't forget to include adequate gapping between the window frame and the edge of the trim.
Cut and ease the edges that will be left exposed. Because the edges on the top and bottom trim pieces will be exposed to weather,
those edges will also need to be primed prior to painting. Center up the bottom piece and nail it in place, making sure you maintain adequate gapping between each piece and the window frame.
Install Armorite Exterior Trim to the subfascia boards and nail every 12 to 16 inches on center. We will be installing drip edge later in the process after we are done painting. Install Armorite Exterior Trim to the subfascia board and nail every 12 to 16 inches on center. The size of the trim we are using on this fascia is 5.5 inches wide, so we will need to have 2 rows of fasteners per the Armorite Trim installation instructions. Whenever Armorite Exterior Trim transitions from one piece to another or to exterior cladding, windows, doors, or other materials, that joint must be caulked using an exterior grade caulk sealant that is highly durable, designed not to shrink, and remains flexible. For the caulk to do its job, there must be sufficient room for it to go between the two pieces of trim. For nail heads that are countersunk 1/16 of an inch to 1/8 of an inch, fill with a non-shrinking exterior wood putty
or exterior spackling.
When the smooth side of Armorite Exterior Trim is facing outwards, wood putty can be filled flush and sanded smooth using a 120 grit sandpaper after it dries. After all caulk, putty, and other prep work are complete, apply a high-quality exterior primer
to the siding panels and then apply a high-quality
100% acrylic exterior latex paint suitable to be used on wood siding and trim. All exposed Armorite Exterior Trim edges must be properly painted. I hope this video guide has given you a solid foundation for installing Armorite Exterior Trim and to do it with confidence. Remember, proper installation is key to getting the most out of this high-performance product and delivering results that will stand out and stand the test of time. For more tips, technical information, or to see our full range of innovative, sustainable wood products, please visit roseburg.com.